वो पधारो
Farmers can now get a little extra rest thanks to an ingenious use of cell phone technology.
The device is called a Nano Ganesh. A modem sits inside a mobile phone and enables farmers to switch on water pumps in their fields from home. 40-year-old engineer Santosh Oswal developed the device.
Farmers needed a device that could switch the water pump on and off from anywhere. If a farmer is in another town, he should be able to operate the pump from there. So I thought, why not use a mobile phone and insert a modem application?
So now, switching on water pumps is only a click away.
My fields are 10 kilometers from my house. With the help of this modem, I don't have to go to the fields at night. I can operate it while sitting at home. We can check while sitting back at home whether the pump is on or off.
According to Ostwal, nearly 8 years of research and development and an investment of over 10 million rupees have gone into making the Nano Ganesh possible and affordable.
Pioneered the use of mobile technology in agriculture, which in turn has proved to be more than a blessing for farmers. Nano Ganesh helps farmers control their electrical pump sets through a mobile phone or landline phone from anywhere. When OSIA introduced this product for the first time, farmers had questions such as, does it control the pump sets of any horsepower? Does it interface easily with the existing setup of the pump sets, including the existing starter panel? Can we connect it to existing switching mechanism? Can we control our pump sets from any distance? Can we check if electricity is available to switch pump on? Can it be easily installed by a local technician? The simple answer to all these questions is yes. In fact, farmers do not need to physically visit the pump set to switch it on or off. Nano Ganesh also solves the ever-present practical problems of accessing the pump sets through difficult terrain, inclement and extreme weather conditions, facing wild animals or snakes and so on. No fears of electrical shocks too, due to leakage of electricity or rains. Whether day or night, rain or shine, simply make a call and control your pump set. Hence, by using Nano Ganesh, one can save enormous amount of electricity, water, fuel, precious time and unwanted labor. Operating and installation of Nano Ganesh is very simple. A farmer simply makes a call, punches in his personal code and switches the pump on or off. A farmer can delegate this duty to anybody such as wife, children or even a worker at the farm. Nano Ganesh has been available in different models as per the individual's requirement and costing. A mobile handset is an important part of all Nano Ganesh models. It works as a wireless communication device. It can be directly used by just plugging typical pins of the Nano Ganesh into the mobile handsets. OSIA recommends typical low-end mobile models for this purpose. However, farmers can avail of any service provider who provides a good mobile connectivity at the site. Mr. Santosh Ostwal, who is a graduate in electrical and electronics engineering, is a driving force behind the remote control systems for agriculture. He is the founder director of OSIA Agro Automation. Under his strong leadership and innovative approach, OSIA has almost captured a major parts of irrigation market for their remote control systems. OSIA, elevating the socio-economic status of Indian farmers through advances in mobile technology.
तेरे